Hi guys, I am back with another dip powder mani Valentine's Day theme. It's more like anti in my opinion. So I do have on my Luxie nail builder gel and 2 coats of hollow taco pilly base for easy removal. So I will be using colors from Dip-Adore. This is Karma Sutra, and also Clout from Color My World Dips. Both shops are on Etsy. So for our dip liquids, I will be using regular Color My World dip liquids. I already had these. I actually bought a starter kit from Color My World dips a while ago, like a few months ago, and I just once I saw the odorless liquids, I decided to give them a try. So these are not odorless liquids, so I am wearing my respirator. And so I'm going to go in and apply Clout first, which is black, and I am using a pipette to apply the dip powder. So guys, just hang out with me and I'll chime in from time to time. So guys, you'll notice with a lot of my manis, I don't go all the way to the cuticle area, and that's just because I normally need to do a backfill or infill of my builder gel, and I'm not going to. I usually do that every 2 to 3 weeks, but I do my nails once a week normally, so I'm not going to overdo my nails. So that's why a lot of times I don't go all the way, because I need to infill, and it's just I don't want to damage my nails. Hopefully I haven't damaged them. I don't think so, but I just don't want to overdo my nails, and especially with the exposure to the different products, with the gel, even though it's HEMA free, and then the dip liquid. So, and my nails grow at different rates, so like my ring finger needs an infill, but then the rest of my nails may be okay. So, but I just wanted to chime in and let you guys know that, with a lot of my videos, I don't go all the way to my cuticle area because I need it infill. The black the color Clout from Color My World dips, it went on nice and easy. Look how smooth that looks, even though I end up on the first coat, when I went to brush it off, I had an indentation on my finger, but it just filled right in with the next coat. So I brushed off excess, and I'm going in and lightly going over that nail with activator to activate it, make it hard. And that black was pretty staining, but for the most part it didn't stain too much. So I end up applying the black to my ring finger and my thumb off camera. So the next color, again, this is from Dip-Adore on Etsy. It is Karma Sutra. Has a light pink base with red, black, and pink foils in there. There's not a whole lot of pink foils that I picked up on my nail. With this though, the foil broke up, which it normally does for me. Some people will once they dip, they'll press those foils down and then brush off excess and go in with activator just to have the foils lay flat. I have yet to try that method. I was hoping to pick up more of the red versus black, and so this is why I label this as an anti-Valentine's Day, because once I finished, I picked up a lot of the black foils in this dip powder. So after 2 coats of that color, I went in and applied S&S Natural Set Sheer, which is clear off camera. And then I'm going to go in and dust off excess. Look at my nail brush broke. Ain't that a mess? I threw that thing in the trash. I wasn't even gonna try to glue it back together. I was like, forget it. So I'm going in and using my medium bristle toothbrush to remove extra clear dip powder that wasn't soaked up by the base. And then I'm going in and activating all nails. So guys, later on in the video, I'm going to insert a picture of the color that was color of the nail swatch from Etsy. And so as you can see, you don't see a lot of that pink base in there, but like my pinky and my middle finger picked up a lot of that black. So after my filing and buffing, I removed excess dust and I applied base coat, cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I applied iGel Beauty's chrome base and cured for 30 seconds. So I'm going in with iGel Beauty's Mirror Black Chrome powder pen. I've used black chrome one other time. I'll see if I can link that video in the cards. It's pretty old, but I couldn't really see the benefit of black chrome. I just didn't. I still kind of don't. Kind of do and kind of don't. It gives the nail a different look. So I'm going in and applying that black chrome powder to the nails that have black. So my ring finger and my thumb. And I'm just rubbing that in. You really don't get that. I guess you get somewhat of a chrome effect. I guess that's how it's supposed to look. So after that, I'm going to go in and apply iGel Beauty's Jewelry Gel, because I'm going to apply some heart rhinestones to those 2 nails. Those that came, these rhinestones or studs came in Daily Charms Valentine's Day mystery box. I'll link that video in the cards if you haven't seen it or you want to take a look at the contents of that box. So I'm going to go in, apply iGel Beauty's Jewelry Gel, top coat, place the heart rhinestones, and then cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So guys, after I cured in my lamp for 60 seconds and have all my nails top coated, here is the finished look. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil once your nails have cooled off from being in the lamp. So again, it's Valentine's Day, but it looks more anti to me. So you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. Please like this video if you found value in the content. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe if you're not. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Again, it's free. So I got tickled because my left hand is like, hey, nice Valentine's, happy, and then my black hand, Lord, right hand is kind of like death to Valentine. So you know, it is what it is. So guys, I had a little bit of staining on my thumb, so I got that off with a nail brush. That was fine. When I was in the shower, I just got it right on off. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.